Today I will teach you basic stretchings, how to do basic stretches, head to toe. This is very simple routine. If you are doing any kind of exercises, and then for the beginning you can start with these stretching exercises. So let's start our basic routine, basic stretching exercises. Anyone can perform these exercises. So simple exercises. We will start with the clapping. This is our first exercise. This is improving our heart functioning. This is good for your heart. Clapping. You can do for 1 minute, 100 claps, 120 claps at least. Second exercise, we are doing laughter. Laughter, as you know, laughter is the best medicine. That means it's a very good exercise, good for your heart, good for your muscles. How we are doing laughter? I am showing you a laughter exercise. You can simply stand on your place, and also you can sit this exercise on seated manner. You can do on standing, or you can also perform on seated manner. So we are doing on standing manner. So just bend down like that. Go for laugh. 1, 2 and laugh. You can try up to the last breath of your chest. Expand your arm completely outward, hold the head and breath up to the last breath. जितना आप सांस को बाहर कर सकते हैं, कोशिश करें कि मैक्सिमम अपने लंग से सारे जो आपका ब्रेथ है सांस को बाहर करें और उतना हंसने की कोशिश करें. एक बार फिर ट्राई करेंगे. Down, laugh. Relax, cool down. You can do 3-4 times like that. Laughter. Then next we are doing exercise for our neck. Interlock all the fingers, place behind of your head like that, and stretch outward your elbows. Finger interlocking together. Expand your chest, slightly look up. Keep weight on your palms. Expand chest. Hold at least for 10 seconds. Breath should be normal. And slow, straight neck. Very slow. Down your hands. Relax. This one is third exercise. This is good for your cervical. It's relieving if you have pain on your neck, your shoulders. It's overcoming your pain from your shoulders and your neck. Next exercise. Arm stretchings we are doing. First we are doing for forearms. Straight your left hand, fingers pointing down. Hold your hands, complete hands including your thumb. Make your hands straight like that. Elbow should be soft. Hold for 10 seconds. Breath should be normal. We are doing 3 movements for the same arms. Relax, very slow. Complete release. First one and second one. Cross your arms. Other hand, use like that. And feel the stretch on your shoulder, your tricep. Hold. These all are exercises good for your cervical, good for your upper body, upper spine. Relax. Same hand. Hold from your elbow. Place back, like that. Try to place with middle of your spine. Elbow press down properly. 10 seconds hold. Feel the stretch on your shoulder. Very slow, softly. Come back. Same thing with other hand. Straight. Other hand. Like that. Stretch. 10 seconds. Elbow should be soft. Same hand cross with first hand. Feel a stretch with your tricep. Neck slightly. Keep the pose it. Same hand. Elbows, from the elbows lift. Press down. Place middle of the spine. Hold. Very slow, softly. Come back. Rest. These are the upper stretchings, upper part, upper body stretch for the upper spine. Now it comes up, comes with the lower spine. Keep your thumb forward, 4 fingers on your back. Just simply take a circle with your waist. Each part, 5 circles. 4, 3, 2, change, side change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Just kick your legs. Just sit down. Simply sit on your place. Keep your feet on the floor. Arms below of your spine. Like that. Back of your spine. Support your spine. And then this is for your lower spine. This exercise stretch your lower spine. You need the stretch on your lower spine. Your knees, feet together, knees together. Keep down your knees and eyes going opposite. Look over the shoulders. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow, come back. Same thing with the other side. Knees together, down one side, eyes going just opposite. Look over the shoulder, eyes over the shoulder. And you feel a stretch with your lower spine. Side, lob legs, hold, slow, come back. You can do it 3-4 times like that. This is very good exercise for your lower spine. This exercise will help to improve your lower spine strength, make flexible your lower spine. And last exercise, one more exercise I am showing. You can lay down on the floor completely at the base of stomach, and you can try to hit your butts with your heel. When you finish, you can try at least 100 kicks. You can try to beat your butts with your heel. This is very good exercise. Again, it is helping to your lower spine, lower muscle strength, lower body. You can try for 100 or as per your time, at least you can try 100, 120 repetitions with your legs. So, these exercises we are perform today. So done for the day. Just we finish with a small prayer. So simply sit with cross-leg posture, Sukhasana, both hands on Gyan Mudra. Inhale, breathe, feet, eyes, Omkar together. Relax. If you have more time, you can add pranayam with this session. So you can at least sit for 5 minutes to simple breathing practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate breathing practice. Thank you for watching.